This is Irish Ma O' Mine by Joe Hill.
When I was but a boy, roaming about with pole and hook, my Irish ma would join me, and we'd visit nook and brook. Then sometimes at close of day, when I'd wandered far away, I'd hear her sweet voice calling, "Laddie Paddy, Laddie Paddy." Oh, Irish ma o' mine, dear Irish ma o' mine, I'm coming home, no more to roam. Oh, Irish ma o' mine, though I've wandered far away, oh, I'm coming home to stay, always with you, dear Irish ma o' mine. In the cottage by the sea, she is waiting there for me, with the same old loving smile, though to her I've been a trial. But she loves me just as well as when roaming through the dell, I'd hear her sweet voice calling, "Laddie Paddy, Laddie Paddy." Oh, Irish ma o' mine, dear Irish ma o' mine, I'm coming home, no more to roam. Oh, Irish ma o' mine, though I've wandered far away, oh, I'm coming home to stay, always with you, dear Irish ma